Audio Jungle.
Welcome to Crypto Victoria community. Before starting the review of this amazing project, I would request you to, if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel. Also hit the bell icon for further upcoming video notifications. So let's start review now. Today I come with very amazing and unique project which is about Pepita. Pepita is basically launched on Pink Sale. Here you can see their fair launch on Pink Sale. Pepita is a story of love and betrayal. Here is the contract renouncing after the launch and small fees 6 and 4% burst for passive income. So here is the 1% liquidity for the stability and 50% of the total supply which is burned and utility is coming. Experienced team with big marketing campaign ready for before and after the launch and also on the listing on the CMC and CG coming ribbon and also more ribbon. Here you can see their beautiful tutorial video on the pink sale. This is the time of the pre-sale which start after 21 hours. Here you can see how you have to buy this amazing token. You have to simply connect your wallet, and if you have MetaMask, Coinbase wallets, Trust wallets, Math wallet, Token Pocket, from in which stage wallet you have to simply connect and you can buy from little income and you get more passive income buying this amazing token. So here is the official token address and what is the token name, that is the pepita, and what is the token symbol, that is pepita, and here is the token decimal which is 18, and here can you see the all detail about the total supply and also the tokens for liquidity and also initial market cap which is almost 4 and soft hard cap and also pre-sale start time and ending time. Here is the all almost information about the Pipita Fair launch. So here is the a beautiful introduction of the Pipita. What is Pipita? That I have already described, a story of love and betrayal. Here is the official contract of this amazing project, and here is you can see a chromatic loves. After years of searching for love, Peep finally meets Pepita. Here is the Peep of Pepita. You can see they are completed, and this is the beautiful story of Peep. Thought he found his charismatic love, and you can see their beautiful video in this YouTube tutorial. And here is what is the Pepita. It is basically a meme coin project that is created on the Binance Smart Chain BSC20, and it is the story of two frogs that were brought together by love and separated by greed. And it is we aim to create a fun and entertaining ecosystem for our community while at the same time generating passive income to all our holders. So simply you have to hold and burst stable coin in your wallet. This is the very cute and unique image of this Pipita. This is the story of Pipita. It was just a frog when she met to the pet Peep. So he what happened and what he thought and how he found his love for his family. Initially, Pepita was mesmerized by Peep's wealth, and over the time, she began to envision herself overtaking Peep's throne. So, following their divorce, the love of the people of Pepita convinced the judge to grant her significant financial support. Now, independent Pepita rewards those who help her by giving away half her money as best reward. So you have to must buy this amazing token by helping the Pipita. So here is the tokenomics, which is about tax for buy and sell, and it is 6%, 4% is the reward, 1% is the liquidity, and 1% the marketing and development. This is the token distribution, which is 50% burn, 33% pre-sale, 16% liquidity, and 1% for the team. Here is the roadmap. Roadmap is the basically past initial and past and future development about the project. Here you can learn about their official launch and all other development about the project, where token creation, Twitter, Telegram launch, their social medias account when they launch on Pink Sale Fair launch, pre-launch marketing, push launching token on Pancake Swap, and post-launch continuous marketing. And also they were listed on CMC and CG listing in future. And this is the phase 2, when they are dashboard creating, and also they develop their NFT mining platform and CX listing, and also they increase their holders. So these are the social media's account of this amazing platform. So here is the official Telegram account of the Pepita. You have to must follow this. And this is the official Twitter account of the Pepita. You have to follow this for getting all upcoming information and news about this amazing platform. So see you next video. Thanks for watching.